Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a new lens from Apexel. So the name of the lens is Telephoto and Macro lens. So this is the world's first lens that has these two things in a single lens. So you can see the package. So you get some useful accessories included in this, that is 150 mm macro lens and 25 mm to 37 mm adapter ring. So you can see the specifications here. So the range of focus is 30 centimeters to infinity for telephoto, and you have for macro it is from 15 centimeters to 40 centimeters. So you have 10 elements in 7 groups in this lens. So you have multi-layer coating, and the material used is multi-coating opticals, glass and aluminum, alloy and silicon. So we'll go ahead and unbox this telephoto and macro lens from Apexel. So you get this user guide included in multiple languages. So you get this user manual on how to connect and use the lens. These are the multiple equipments in this. These are the components that we get. Okay, inside the box you get a universal holder that is in this cover. So this is used to connect the lens. So this can be used for all the phones. It connects to 99% of the phones of the world. You have this screw where you can attach the phone and connect this. So we have the lens here. So this is in a soft case to protect the lens. So this is the lens itself. So this is built with good metal and it is very heavy. So you have a covering here. So this is the lens. So along with the lens you get this filter where you can add the filters here. It is a 25 mm to 37 mm filters. You can add any filters that you want to add and shoot, and also you get the macro lens. So this gets attached on the top of the telephoto lens that will convert it to macro lens, and this is a 150 mm macro lens. Also you get an eyepiece where you can connect this and use this as a binocular as well. You get some rubber material that is used to adjust the phone if you're not able to connect it properly. And also you get this cloth, microfiber cloth, to clean your lens. And you have a pouch. It's good quality, and to carry the lens it is used. So let us go ahead and try to connect this to a phone. So you take your phone and this gets connected like this. So there is a universal holder. So you adjust this to your primary camera. So you first adjust this so that the primary camera is visible. You go ahead and tight the screw, and you'll have to connect this lens. So this gets attached here. You need to connect this, so you'll have to screw this in. So let us see. And also on the lens you have a adjustable knob to change it to macro and to telephoto. This for adjusting the focus. So we'll turn on the camera, and also just want to tell you that the look is very good, and this is a heavy lens, and the feel is premium, and it is looking very good. Let us go ahead and check the photo. So you get this ring, so you will have to try to increase it to 1.9 or 2x so that you can see the complete photo, and the ring disappears. And as I told you, you have a focus knob here. You'll have to turn this. So now I have adjusted the focus of this, so we'll see how much it is able to zoom. This is a 6x telephoto lens, so you can see the clock here. So if you see in the phone, you're able to see how much it is able to zoom. So the quality is very good, and yeah, you can see the difference. So you can see the clock, and if you see in this, you're able to see how much it is zooming. So let us go ahead and attach the macro lens and check that as well. So we'll attach the macro lens that gets connected on the front of this. So you have to do the adjustment when you connect the macro lens. So you have a knob that you need to turn, So this is a macro lens. So this is a 150 macro lens, and let us just try on this paper. So there is a yes, as you can see, you get a pretty good distance of macro. So where if you want to shoot some insects or any subject, you can maintain the distance while capturing details. So it's close to 15 centimeters and the clarity is very good, so you're able to see where the paper is, and you can see in the lens. And I would recommend this lens because this one lens is enough for shooting telephoto as well as macro images, and this is one of the best lens, and this is the world's first lens where you can shoot telephoto as well as macro in a single lens, and the feel touch is very good, and it is a heavy premium looking and premium quality lens which you can go ahead, and it is going to be very useful in photography. So this is all guys, and this is a highly recommended lens. So if you want, you can connect this on the back of the lens, and this can also be used as a telescope, but the macro capabilities as well as the zoom capabilities and the quality is very good. You also get a very good distance where you can maintain the distance and you can take the macro photos. Sure, that's all guys. Thank you. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.